So you have money saved up, maybe $5,000 to $10,000, and you're tired of renting, so you think you want to buy a house. Well, are you sure that you're ready? Let's talk about that in today's video. Hey, Dylan here, founder of Smart Home Buyer and your prosperity and dream home expert. Just because you have money saved for a down payment and closing costs doesn't mean that you're ready to buy a home. Sure, you could say that you're ready because you have a small wad of cash saved up and hey, you're like, I can pay my closing costs, my realtor found the perfect home for me, I'm ready to go, I'm ready to get it. But, pump your brakes here. What most confused and overwhelmed first-time home buyers fail to realize is that if you don't have a firm grasp on your budget and you're tracking your money, meticulously tracking what income you have coming in versus what is going out every month before you buy, and you're able to continuously save money and invest extra money every month, you're going to be opening yourself up for you're going to be opening yourself up for emergencies happening in your life. And as soon as you buy that first house, as soon as you get into it, Murphy's Law is going to hit and things are going to happen, right? The roof's going to leak, the plumbing's going to back up, Aunt Caroline's going to come over one day, accidentally turn the air conditioner way down, and guess what's going to happen? Your HVAC is going to freeze up in the hottest summer month, and then you're not going to be in a good position, you're not going to be happy. So, because you're letting one of your most valuable energy resources, which is your money is important to know, right? The universe sends energy in different forms, and you don't want it to leak out of your life without having accountability or control. So, just ask, what if you took the time to understand your cash flow, and on top of having your minimum down payment, your closing costs set aside, you had extra money in your emergency fund, at least 3 months worth? What would that look like? What would that peace of mind be worth to you? Alright? I'm willing to bet it would probably be worth a lot. So, now, sure, there are down payment assistance programs available for you, especially if you live in South Carolina like I do. I know I've talked about this in other videos. And if you're working with a top-notch real estate agent, a specialized buyer's agent, it's important to work with a specialized buyer's agent that can negotiate your closing costs to be paid by the seller. But if something unexpected, if something unexpected were to happen, you would be prepared. You would be prepared and even have that extra money set aside because you were patient and you treated your money and you treated buying a home like a smart investment, like the extremely wealthy do. So if you want to make smart choices with your money, and I know you do, I know you want to make smart choices, I know you want to get ahead, I know. You want to buy a home that's going to help you build long-term wealth. You want something that's going to help you grow and get where you want to be for you and your family's security, right? So just putting a little bit of work and effort now into yourself and into your budget, something you can actually follow, doesn't have to be hard, without it causing stress, without it causing strife, without you arguing with your wife, that rhymed a little bit, without it being hard to stick to, then you owe it to yourself to learn so you can learn how to master your money.